I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili mili at home. First, gather your core ingredients: puffed rice, crispy sev, and a selection of sweet and tangy chutneys. Next, prepare your fresh vegetables, like finely diced onions and tomatoes, ensuring they are ready for mixing. Don't forget your spice blend, including a generous pinch of chaat masala and a dash of red chili powder for that perfect kick. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious snack. Now let's combine everything to create the chili mili base. Start by adding your puffed rice and sev to a spacious mixing bowl. Then, incorporate the finely chopped onions, tomatoes, and a few green chilies for a bit of heat. Next, drizzle in your sweet tamarind and spicy green chutneys, ensuring even distribution. Finally, sprinkle your chaat masala and other spices over the entire mixture, preparing it for the next step. It's time for the final toss and serving. Gently mix all the ingredients in the bowl, ensuring every grain of puffed rice and piece of sev is coated with the chutneys and spices. Taste a small portion and adjust the seasoning as needed, perhaps a little more chaat masala or a squeeze of lime. Serve your freshly made chili mili immediately in individual bowls, garnished with fresh coriander for an extra burst of flavor. Enjoy this quick and delightful snack. For the best chili mili experience, always use fresh, crispy puffed rice. It makes a huge difference in texture. Don't be afraid to experiment with various chutneys to customize the flavor profile to your liking, whether you prefer it sweeter, tangier, or spicier. Also, if you're looking to improve your financial well-being, check out the link in the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy your homemade chili mili, a perfect snack for any time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.